The standard period for seeking a probation report, in this case a bail report, is 7 days. Of course, taking into account, as Counsel Mr. Omare has submitted, that the accused person should be able to access the decision on whether he is released on bond at the earliest. But the reports may come earlier or even later, depending on how fast the information sought is obtained. I have in the past, at least in one criminal case, number 1698 of 2018, had the decision of this court revised by the High Court on grounds that 7 days given to prepare the bail report in the circumstances of that case was not sufficient, and the probation officer had to be given more time to go and make a further report. Therefore, with the benefit of that hindsight counsel, then 7 days, according to this court, will be appropriate in the circumstances. In the present case, if the report is heard earlier, then either party is free to move the court for the same to be presented. After all, the decision whether or not to deny the accused person bond has not been made by the court. I have, however, not found good reason to have the accused person remanded at a police station rather than prison remand, and he'll therefore be remanded in prison remand.